Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to simulate an object falling into a water using Ansys Fluent. Uh, before getting into our simulation, I want you, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave a like for us. Before getting into Ansys Fluent, I want to show you the geometry in Paint, and after this we will go to Ansys Fluent. In this simulation, we have a background. In this simulation, I'm using a 2D geometry, and I will use Overset dynamic mesh. For this kind of simulation, we need two geometries: the background and our object. Our background will be a rectangular uh, with 100 centimeter in each and 80% centimeter in vertical. And then we will have a sphere, a circle with 7.5 millimeter. This is the diameter of inner circle, and the outer circle will be 20 millimeter. And our sphere, our object is this and is the inner one, and the outer one will be our overset mesh. Okay, let's go to Ansys Fluent. Okay, now we are in Ansys Fluent, and as you can see, I have uploaded two mesh file. The first one is background, and the second one is our object, which is our overset mesh in here. Then we will bring Fluent, drag and drop Fluent here. Then okay, then we edit this with double precision. I will use parallel and two process. Then I will click on OK. Okay, as you can see, I have created my geometry, and I'm my mesh. I have a background mesh here, and I have a overset mesh here. This is our object, and this is the outer circle is our overset mesh. Let's go and do our processes. I go to general, and then I choose transient. We need gravity minus 9.8. Then I go to model. I choose multi-phase, volume of fluid. We have two phases, explicit, and I click on implicit body force. Then I click on OK. Then I go to viscose. Then I click on chi epsilon, realizable, then scalable. Then I click on OK, and that's it. I go to materials. Okay, Fluent database. I want to define another phase, which is water liquid. Then I copy and close it. Then close this. Now I have two phases here. I have defined two phases. So then I go to cell zone condition, the component zone and surface zone. As you can see, these are solid. We have to change this from solid to fluid. Component zone is this area, is this zone from in to out circles. This zone is component zone, which should be defined as fluid. Then OK. Then I click on OK again. Okay, it's done. Then we have boundary condition. All of my boundary conditions are okay. I have out is this. I have overset. This intercomponent, as you can see. Okay, and overset is this circle, and I have a sphere is this one, and I have walls which are these, and surface. Okay, uh, be careful that the type of overset should be overset. I mean this wall should be overset. Then we go to overset interface, then I create, I choose a name, I will use over s, and then I choose this, and if you cannot see these background zone and component zone, maybe it's because in boundary condition you haven't choose the type of overset, maybe it will be something else. You have to uh, define it as overset, then we create it and then we close it, and we come to models. We have two phases. The phase one is air, and phase 2 is air again. We change it to water liquid, and we click on OK. We come to the dynamic mesh, click on dynamic mesh, smoothing and remeshing, then setting. I choose all remeshing and click on this, then copy this, then paste it. Okay, copy this, then I paste it here and click on OK. Then I choose stitch DOF, setting, create edit. I choose a name for this will be SPH. The mass I choose 0.5, and in IXs I have calculated this for mine is 0.05010, and this will be, you have to calculate for your own geometry. Then I create it, then close it, and then I click on OK. I come here. Here we have to define two zones. The first one is component zone on a passive, and the center of gravity location is here, which is and this will be this. And I made a mistake here, which I have written in each direction our uh, dimension is 100, but it is 200. I have to okay, it is 200, so the half of this will be 100, and it is here. And in y direction our center is 0.05. Then I create it, then I will create another one which is a sphere, this and these are okay, and then I create okay, these are okay. Then I go to initialization, hybrid, initialize. Okay, I have to define my region for water from infinite to infinite. I choose 1, 2, I know you can choose whatever you want, but 0 to will be this, then mark it, close it, then I come to patch, choose this, phase 2, volume fraction, I choose 1, then I patch it, then I close it, calculation activities, we choose uh, for each time, and okay, solution animation, I need each 4 times step, create another one on phase 2, save and display. Okay, everything is fine. Then I click on close, choose contour 1, then everything. Okay, then we come to run calculation. I choose time step for 0.0005 and 180 number of time steps, and then I choose 35 for max iteration. Then I click on calculate. Okay, our calculation has been completed, and let's go and see the results. It is the results, and this is the last time step. Let's go and see the animation. Play once, and okay. As you saw, there was a simulation. Our object fell into the water, and it was really great. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in comments. I try to answer all the comments and all the questions. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like.